I must get about a dozen emails a day.
So we'll just hope that... I've got my bureau chiefs out working with the refugees at the moment.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's one case against one of many people who've been indicted, but it's significant for a number of reasons. I would include firstly the fact that a fair trial has been conducted. I don't think any question can be raised about that, and that's largely to the credit of the judges, of the prosecution and defence teams, who all conducted themselves really in a very professional way, if I may respectfully say so. Secondly, it's significant because a verdict was brought out against Mr Tadic, finding him guilty of crimes against humanity, which really relies on one of the important legacies of Nuremberg. The very concept of a crime against humanity was unknown to humankind before Nuremberg. So it's significant too because it underscores the fact that international criminal tribunals can work. An international prosecutor's office can successfully investigate and indict a war criminal. And trials can proceed effectively under international law. This is all new, it's never been done. It's happening in other trials in The Hague, it's happening right now in Arusha, and it also is I believe and I certainly hope, an important push forward towards the international community setting up a permanent international criminal court, because that's what we need. No, not at all. As I say, there was sufficient evidence which, in my view at the time, justified indicting him on those counts. It was the judge's duty to decide whether those allegations were proved beyond a reasonable doubt. I don't believe any prosecutor should feel disappointed when some or indeed all counts are dismissed. It's really a question of the state, or the prosecution in this case, the international prosecutor, having to have proved guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. I must get about a dozen emails a day.